You can buy most things without paying the sales tax this weekend in August. Qualifications for the sales tax holiday. Who qualifies for the sales tax holiday? The sales tax holiday applies to individuals who are buying things for themselves. This does not apply to corporations or other businesses, or if you're buying something for a business. Do all retail items qualify for the sales tax holiday exemption? No. The following do not qualify for the sales tax holiday exemption: meals, motor vehicles, motorboats, telecommunications services, gas, steam, electricity, tobacco products, marijuana or marijuana products, alcoholic beverages, and any single item whose price is more than $2,500. Do meals qualify for the sales tax holiday exemption? No. Meals do not count for the sales tax holiday exemption. What about internet sales? Do those sales qualify for the sales tax holiday exemption? Yes. If you order an item on the internet and pay for it during the Eastern Daylight Time sales tax holiday, that purchase will not have any sales tax. Even if they deliver the item after the weekend is over, there is no sales tax. What about layaway sales? Layaway sales are not eligible for the sales tax holiday exemption. Do rentals qualify for the sales tax holiday? As long as the items rented are not ineligible items, such as motor vehicles or motorboats, individuals may take advantage of the sales tax holiday for rentals of up to 30 days. However, the rental must be paid for in full on the holiday weekend. Do all retailers have to participate in the sales tax holiday? Yes. All businesses that usually sell items with taxes must also sell those items without taxes during the sales tax holiday. This includes internet vendors. Limitations. Is there a limit to the retail value to which the sales tax holiday exemption applies? Yes. The sales tax holiday exemption is limited to eligible sales of items costing $2,500 or less. What if I spend more than $2,500 on an item? When you buy something, the whole amount you spend is subject to sales tax. For clothing, it does not matter how much you spend. If something costs less than $175, then nothing will be taxed. If it costs more than $175, but less than $2,500, then only the amount that exceeds $175 is taxed. What if I purchase multiple items that each cost $2,500 or less, but the total price exceeds $2,500? Are all items eligible for the sales tax holiday exemption? If an item costs $2,500 or less, you can buy as many of these items as you want without paying taxes on them. A business has advertised that a purchase I made prior to the sales tax holiday weekend can be canceled and rebooked on the holiday. Can I do that and avoid paying sales tax? No. The sales tax holiday weekend is this weekend. If you buy something before the weekend and already paid for it, you can't cancel it and buy it again on the sales tax holiday. Do I have to take home an item I purchase on the sales tax holiday weekend for that purchase to qualify for the sales tax holiday exemption? No. If you use the sales tax holiday to buy something, you can arrange for it to be delivered after the sales tax holiday is over. After the sales tax holiday. What happens if I exchange or return an item once the sales tax holiday has ended? No tax is due even if the exchange is made after the holiday. You will not be subject to the tax retroactively. What do I do if I find that I was charged sales tax on an eligible item purchased during the sales tax holiday? If you were charged tax in error, the company that you bought your item from is responsible for giving you a refund of the money that was taken in error. You will need to provide them with your receipt or other proof of purchase, so they can figure out how much they owe you. What happens if I am a retailer that accidentally collects sales tax this weekend? If you collected taxes from customers, but it was a mistake, because it was the weekend when taxes are free, then you have to send the money back. If they ask you for a refund of some of the money that is not theirs, then give it to them. And if you already sent the money to DOR and got some back, then you will have to pay it back to yourself. If a tax-exempt person bought something at one amount and they were charged tax, can they get that tax refunded? No. You cannot get tax-free if you are tax-exempt. The tax-free sales only apply to people who are not tax-exempt. To be tax-exempt, you need to buy items for business or sales purposes and use them in your business instead of using them personally. If a company is going out of business or closing its doors, can it give all its remaining stock away during the Massachusetts sales tax holiday weekend? Yes, this is allowed even though many consumers would likely leave the state with those products rather than taking advantage of the 3-day tax-free weekend. On the tax-free weekend, sales tax does not apply to items used in business, such as computers and office equipment, even if they are sold at the retail price a consumer would pay for them. This exemption applies only to tangible personal property and not services or other intangibles. In order for this tax holiday exemption to apply, businesses must have documentation that supports their purchases of these products were made on behalf of their business. In addition, tax will continue to be assessed on luxury items such as jewelry and clothing items priced over $175 per item. Businesses can claim tax-exempt purchases under this tax holiday by submitting Schedule ST3X with their business tax payment voucher when filing returns through the Commonwealth Electronic Filing Program. The tax-free weekend does not apply to items used in agricultural production, including machinery, livestock and feed. Businesses that qualify for tax exemptions such as this one can file an amended tax return if they forgot to claim tax-exempt purchases under the tax holiday at tax time. Businesses should use Form ST3X to claim their tax exemption if necessary.